What's up YouTube, it's RPBMX here doing another bike check. Got a bunch of new parts in this time, so that's good. First is the Odyssey Aiken K-Lite dirt tire in 2.235 I think. Next is the Fit Shiv 2 forks. Next is the S&M Redneck Shield Stem. Next part for the front end are your S&M Race XLT bars. Animal Edwin grips. Kink bar ends. Odyssey PC, Odyssey Twisted PC pedals, Demolition cranks, let's see, Odyssey Demolition cranks, Animal PC bottom bracket, Odyssey MDS sprocket 25 tooth, Odyssey Bluebird chain, Odyssey Path rear tire in 2.20, proper Magnalite cassette wheel, and one thing I don't have on here are the Shadow Little One pegs. Took those off, and here's a hub sound. Okay, now if you want to know how and why I got my hub that loud, leave a comment down below and I will get back to you on that. And the frame is a Fit trl3 in red. Forgot to mention that.